Let's make instant pot garlic Parmesan chicken. Here we go. Start by adding 2 tablespoons of butter. Chop 1 small onion. 4 large garlic cloves, minced. Add a half a cup of chicken broth. Some salt and pepper to taste. Half a teaspoon of garlic powder. Add in 1 cup of mushrooms. It calls for 1.5 pounds of chicken breasts, and I just chopped them up. And now you're gonna seal, make sure it's on seal, and set it on manual setting for 6 minutes. Then you're gonna let it naturally release for 10 minutes. This is where you're gonna add your spinach and half a cup Parmesan cheese and a cup of half and half. I thickened it with some cornstarch and water mixture as well. And I added about between a half a cup and a cup of spinach as well. I really enjoyed this recipe, and I hope you will too. Follow me for some more, and I'll leave the link in the bio.